I am Dr. Shubrajit Bhaumik from the Department of Mechanical Engineering and Center Head of Tribology and Interactive Surfaces Research Laboratory. In Amrita, we always believe in experiential learning. And during this journey, we have joined hands with Mosil Lubricants, who have come forward to create professional tribologists from classroom to the field. So in TRISUL, we work with industries, solving their pain points and coming up with innovative and sustainable solutions. Any of the mechanical elements undergoes friction and wear, and bearings, gears, shafts. The design of these mechanical elements are always the basic theoretical knowledge which has been imparted in the classroom.
Here I have gained various diverse knowledge in various areas like writing research papers, learning mechanical concepts, practical mechanical concepts in different areas. It's a great experience to work in this laboratory, and I urge more to come.